The reporting module is your way to have convenient reports as a nice looking PDF you can give to clients or your CEO. As you saw, if you watched the other videos, from all of the different functions and views, you can create reports or have data exports. In SEOlytics, that's unlimited. So you can, within the Pro or Elite version, you can have as many exports, reports as you want to. You will always get the full amount of data. So we will never cut off any keyword tables. You will always get all the data that SEOlytics knows, and there's no credit system or something like that. It's possible to have white label reports. You can have a logo upload here. It's used for the reporting section, but also will be used for the reports that you generate within the other functions within SEOlytics. So it's a really quick process. It's just a few steps that you have to take, and it really depends on the report that you choose. So for example, if I want to do an SEO research domain report, that's the one we see in the thumbnail over to the right. I can do it for any domain I want to, because the SEO research module is based on this reference database. So it's also a possibility to use these reports white label for pre-sales activities, for example, because then at least you have some kind of quick report as a base of discussion to talk to the potential client. And the thumbnail gives you a quick overview what's within the report. So it's the SEOlytics visibility rank, the universal search split, the SERP distribution, things like that. But it's really quick to generate those reports if you want to. So depending on the report that you choose, it's like 3, 4, or 5 steps that you have to take. It's really quick. And of course, the backlink report looks totally different. Or if we talk about the monitoring report, it's also possible to use it or to generate it for a category as well. Since the subsegments that you can use in the SEO monitoring, you could also, of course, use for the reports. And the small thumbnail always gives you an approximate idea how the report would look. There is also the possibility, if you are an elite user and have the large version, that you can get an API key. It doesn't cost you extra, you just have to email us. The support section has the API documentation in there as well. So it's also possible to get access to nearly all the data within SEOlytics via the API as well. So you could generate your own reports. Or in addition, there's also it's pretty quick to set up SEOlytics as an external data source within Excel, for example. If you have a look at our blog, you will find ideas about how you do that, but you use the SEOlytics API for this as well. But as you see, it's pretty quick to get nice looking reports from SEOlytics, since we know it takes a lot of time to generate reports, so we try to make it as convenient and as quick as possible.